If you have a computer running Windows 8, not even 8.1, do you want to upgrade to Windows 8.1 due to the fact that you don't have the start button compared to the original version of Windows 8? And you know, when you're using the start screen, you may feel that it's a little bit of inconvenience finding all your apps just by hitting the search button versus clicking the arrow button towards the bottom in Windows 8.1, and you're not sure of how to go along with the upgrade, purchasing new software, or if you had to have a Microsoft account. Just so you know, if you're running Windows 8 right now, you can upgrade to Windows 8.1 for free. No Microsoft account required from the way I did it. How do you do this? I'm going to show you how. Alright, so what you're going to do is go into the Windows Store, or like the little app store in Windows 8, and you're going to hit that screen that says update to Windows 8.1 Pro, and of course you're going to hit the download button right there, and it actually shows you your requirements right there. And this is the same way you had the home edition of Windows 8. What I have over here is Windows 8 Professional, and then I'm going to upgrade it to Windows 8.1. And then you will be getting a few screens such as applying changes, gathering info. That's as your progress bar is going up, and then you'll be prompted to restart, which is right here. And then what you're going to do is hit the restart now button, and then your whole computer will go into the restarting process and applying the changes for Windows 8.1. So it's pretty much getting you set up for the update that you just did. As you can see, you get a few screens here such as setting up, and then you're going to have getting ready. And like this will take a little bit of time. I guess it depends on like the kind of hard drive you have, or like the capacity it is. And then you get another screen such as applying PC settings with the percentage for the status, and then you're gonna get set up a few more things, and then getting ready again, and then it's gonna get you into your operating system. So over here you can select your networks. From what it looks over here, I'm already connected via the Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, so I'm just going to go through with that and hit next. And I'm going to use express settings. And that screen, I had like a password for a local account, and then it prompted me to enter that, and then it wanted me to put in my Microsoft account. I was trying to bypass that without putting in my Microsoft account, but Windows 8.1, you're required to do that. So, you know, I put in my password many times, but for some reason, it looks like I put in the wrong password, so it just let me go through without putting in my Microsoft account, and then that was pretty much it. Now you're in Windows 8.1. So thank you so much for watching this upgrade video. And just to go back to what I was trying to say earlier before the clip ended, Windows 8.1 requires that you have a Microsoft account, and you need the account in order to like buy apps from the Windows Store or the App Store built into Windows 8. However, as I stated before, I must have entered in the wrong password or the incorrect password so many times without me knowing it, even though I kept being careful and making sure that I typed every character correctly, and I was pretty sure I did. However, since it kept giving me the pop-up screen so many times that my password was incorrect, I actually was able to bypass that Microsoft account sign-in. So now my password for my Windows 8.1 machine is using the password of a local account, and I can change it back to a Microsoft account anytime I want to, and I won't be doing that until I feel like it's necessary. So if you don't want to put your Microsoft account in there, you could go along with doing this. Otherwise, you just have to use your Microsoft account, and then whatever password you set for the email address you set for your Microsoft account will be your password for unlocking your computer. So if you are going to use your Microsoft account, make sure your password is very strong that no one can guess very easily. Alright? That's a security warning right there. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.